I welcome by Islamic way. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hey guys, my name is Muhammed Nazim. I get up early in the morning. I fold bed. I stretch body. I rub eyes. I gargle. I wash face. I rinse mouth. I go to toilet. I have puffing routine. I take bath. I apply soap in hair. I wipe body with towel. I put on cloth. I apply oil in hair. I have perfume. I apply cream. I apply powder. I get ready for school. I go to school. I come back home. I eat lunch. I eat dinner. Apply.
इधर देखना, इधर बीचों बीच देखना.
I eat snacks. I go to ramble. I eat dinner. I go to sleep.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Al WAHID channel.